Jamie is very kind and loving. Jamie loves chocolate and Smarties. One day, when Jamie was alone at home, he went to the kitchen and took all the chocolates with him to his room.
How delicious! I like to eat all the chocolates.
Jamie eats a lot of chocolate. A lot of chocolate was spread on the floor. Jamie slept with the same situation. The cockroaches were found in the middle of the night while Jamie was sleeping. Jamie's whole room was full of big and small cockroaches. Cockroaches were eating chocolate. When Jamie woke up, he was terrified and scared. Jakey started crying. A very large cockroach attacked Jamie. Jimmy's mother heard the sound and came to Jimmy's room.
What's going on here?
Jamie's mother tried to kill the cockroach, but the cockroach attacked him. Jamie's mother was injured and fell to the ground. Jimmy got very angry and attacked the cockroaches with an insecticide spray and was able to knock the cockroach unconscious. Jamie's mother called the police to come immediately and take away the cockroaches.
Now it's time to clean your room so that the cockroaches come back.